Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at Zoom and if this is going to be a good buy opportunity. We are going to look at some small details related with Zoom stock. As you may see, there are many articles, but I have selected one. On February 7, they said that they will cut 1,300 jobs. However, all the big businesses are actually doing that. And on the other hand, it is discussed about that they have also competitors like Microsoft that we may see here, Microsoft Teams communication and other stuff like that. But we know that all the companies have competitor in the market and they have to work really hard for that. So this was the most important part, the jobs cut, but as long as the market absorbed this news already, I don't see any big problem for the moment. So they have calculated everything in advance as long as they are cutting the jobs here. On the financial statement that you may see related with Zoom, just let me make it in this way. We have seen that earlier the net income at this point was 21.75 million at this moment. On 2020, during COVID, we may see it was 671. It increased a lot during this year, considering that everyone wanted to make the subscriptions related with this application in order to connect for their jobs. And later on 2021 we can see 1.38 billion, so it increased a lot during this moment. But what is happening if we are going to look at in this way? In 2002 it is normal that we may see that the net income is slowing down, also the profit margin. So we have 113 million on the first quarter, second quarter 45, and on third quarter they have 48. So it is moving down, as you may see. However, this is related also because everything is getting back to normality. So we are in normality right now. But as you may see, also the numbers are not bad at all. If we are going to get back to the technical chart right now, to the technical perspective, we may see that when this stock was listed on Nasdaq, it was on April 19 here. Price was close to 62. Also on November 19, when the subscriptions were very low in number, and we had this on December 19 and on January 20, when the price, when we were in the situation ahead COVID, we may see it was 75 and later price bounced here. So I'm not taking in consideration the rise at this moment and why the price came down, because it is normal that Zoom is not used anymore in the same levels. But what is very interesting is the financial statement that during this period of time when the price was 75 in 2020, 2019, the year close, we may see that during the year close, just one moment, during the year close on 2020, it was closed with 671 million dollars profit. 21, it should not be taken in consideration because it was high, and we are right now in 2022. So this is very high overall. We have 48.35 net profit, 45, 113, and this is only with the previous three quarters. So in my opinion, considering also the previous years, that Zoom was not in the same situation when it was only with 21.75 million in 2019, and this is the most important part here, because during 2020 we may see that this was increased because of the new subscriptions related with coronavirus. So we have only 21.75 and Zoom is still on the top right now. So the profits are a lot higher compared to what were they before. So this is the reason that I'm looking at for a buy opportunity. Even if subscriptions are going to slow down in numbers, that I don't think that they will have lower numbers considering that they are already consolidating as numbers and everyone is using because they need to use right now and not because it is related with coronavirus. Probably we may see an increase in price. So with the previous price when it was at 75, they had only 21,000 million here, 21 million, sorry. And here we may see that they have a lot more near this zone. So they should have more than $200 million profit. This is the reason that I'm looking at that probably the price should continue to rise further. Also, we should know that Zoom is not in the same position as it was before because the company is more solid. Everyone already knows about Zoom and for what it is used about. And this is why I'm expecting for the price to rise. So we have the price of Zoom in the same situation when it was before coronavirus. Also on the daily chart, as you may see, price already began the movement when it was close to 73 at this point. In my opinion, it looks very interesting. Price may continue to rise from this point and to reach the targets that I placed here, but it can also move down again because after some days on February 28th, we have the earnings report. However, they have beat it all the expectation during the previous time. So let's see how the price will develop right now. It looks very interesting in my opinion. The first target will be 88 because the price has to close and to test the structure zone. The second one, the price has to fill the gap here. The third one might be if the price is going to extend more from this point. So we are dealing for about 20% or a minimum 15%, 27 to 30%, and the last one is 50% movement. So this is overall my idea related with Zoom and why I think that Zoom might increase during the coming months. So hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to follow and press the like button for any future content. Thank you. Bye bye.